Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to turn on VR headset when it won't turn on. Let's dive in. The first step is to charge the headset. Connect your headset to its charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Inspect cables and connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected. For headset with detachable cables, verify that the connections are firm. Step 3. Force restart. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds to force a restart. Step 4. Check for software updates. Use the companion app on your smartphone to check for and install any available firmware updates for your headset. Step 5. Clean the proximity sensor. Gently clean the proximity sensor, typically located between the lenses, with a microfiber cloth to ensure it's not obstructed. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If issues persist, consider performing a factory reset. This can usually be done through the headset settings menu or by using the companion app. Note that this will erase all data on the device. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.